package here. I was waiting for the putty yesterday. Yesterday when I was working on kitting up Golden Christmas, I was hoping that it would come, and it came, of course, when the video was over and it was getting uploaded. It's uploaded now, but I wanted to show you first look. Oh, I missed a drill. Oh, no. I have some drills. I'm not totally done. I did what I said I was going to do. Here we go. I took a larger section of Golden Christmas. I was inspired by Diamond Art 14. She takes a really big section. She takes 4 squares and she works this one large square, and I figured this was the perfect canvas to do that. And then I wanted to open this up and show you guys the putty that I got from Tater Todds. You know, got up this morning, I had a cup of coffee, I had an espresso, and because I had to go food shopping, which I just came back from, and I really couldn't do anything. I was like, oh, I can't take it anymore. So scan the QR code for all my socials. Your review helps my small business grow. And let me just say, I know that we're all on budgets and we all have limited amount of money, and like, we all want to shop, and we're just getting done with events, and there's so many events. Maybe you got done with drills and chills, and now it's jingle drills, and there's all these great events happening. We want to support small shops, but we, you know, we're all watching our pennies today. But you can go onto the socials and you can like, comment, you can subscribe. That helps these small businesses so much. Same here on my channel. I would love you, love you, love you. I do love you. I won't love you if you do, but I love you anyway. But a lot of times we want to hit the like button, we want to subscribe, we forget, we go on to the next video. Now the way the videos roll out, they roll you right into the next one. So take a minute, like, comment, subscribe. It does help us all so much, and it's free. It's free. And I love this. Look how cute this is. Tater Tots. How cute. And you know, you just showing off and spreading the word. You could do that too. It's all free. Lisa, hi. Hello, thank you. Okay, so she probably put some of her information in here. I love it. This is going right to John, because all he did when we went to Florida was look for alligators. If my mouth doesn't say it, my face definitely will. Oh, girl, do you know me? I think in my mind, I hallucinate that I have a poker face. I absolutely don't. Enjoy the little things. I love these little cards that you get in your little small shop. These little reminders just to stop, take a breath. It might seem corny to some of you, but really, I love this. And I put these in my journals. I do use them. I attach them with a little washi tape. Elisa, thank you so much for your purchase. Well, we're going to say that's what it says. For your something. But I appreciate the handwritten note, and I'm sure she's super busy, and just to take time. This is what I love about shopping small. You don't get this. I say this all the time. You get something, you know, it's enough that they just leave your packages on the step, and it's a crapshoot if you're going to get them or not. But then when you open them up and there's like a piece of tissue paper in there in a box too big for what it is that you ordered, rumbling around in there, banging all over the place. But when you get something like this, it's so sweet. Look at this cute little container. Boy, I'll be using this after to store some drills. So I saw this. It was so cute. Tater Todds, Grinch Miss Putty. You see the Grinch's hand? How cute is this? Okay. Oh, there's a little bubble wrap in there. I'm like, what is that? Oh my God, it smells so good. I don't even know what it smells like. Oh, look how cute. How cute is that? And I know you feel like you don't want to use it. Let me tell you, I'm using it. I'm using it. I am on a putty adventure looking for putty. Oh gosh. It's like, I don't really buy custom putty. This is really my first one, I would say. No, I bought for, what did I buy for? The couple events that I partake, like the mermaid event and our event. Oh my God, what? Oh, I think I got apple cider, because I know you had a choice to pick. And look at how cute it is. I definitely want to try this out. I have some drills here. Might as well. Might as well. No time like the present. What time is it? The time is always now. I got that from my yoga training. So let's get a new something something. I'm going to get a new one. You know, guys, I went down a trip down memory lane looking for old stuff, old trays, old placers. I don't know why. I just wanted to revisit my old stuff. Maybe I was feeling nostalgic about where I started in this whole diamond painting journey, and I just wanted to get my old stuff out. So I'm going to get some old placers that I bought that I never opened, because of course we want everything that we see, and I never opened them. So let me get them. Oh, it says no, 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 this way. All right, but I'm going to take this little piece off. It's nice. See, I need a lesson in putty. Oh, I need a lesson in putty. You know what it feels like? It feels like a sugar cookie. Oh my God, I can't believe this smell. Like, you got to get up on it. It's not like right in your face. And I guess I really should put this in here before I dry it out, huh? So this is number 1. I like that there's no residue. I don't think I really got that in there good, the putty. I could have did a better job, but look how neat it is. Probably the neatest I've ever put putty in. There's no overflow. Okay. I am so in love with this canvas. You have no idea. I'm so in love with this canvas, and I was so inspired by Diamond Art 14 that I took a bigger section, and I'm so happy that I did, because, you know, when you're looking at this, it's like a little canvas in itself, 4x4, and I really enjoyed working it this way. Now what I like, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, what I like is that, let me move this. I'm glad I didn't put anything in this side, because I can use it to, I could see my drills are not even. What I like is I can give a little push on this to pick up, and there's no stringiness, you know when you get putty and it's stringy. It's cute. I mean, there's some great, oh, I'm all off the mark here. You know why? I didn't go get my extra light. I don't have my light. Nothing in there. I don't have my light. I got to get my light. I bought this little light. I was in Boscov's, and it has a rechargeable battery. And I'm not in my art room. See, I got this little light. You just touch it here. So I'm not in my room where I have my art dot light board, and so, you know, I'm really killing my eyes these days. I don't know if you guys need to see what that looks like. It's got a nice dryness to it. It's very soft, very pliable, as you can see. It's not flaking, it's not crumbling. It's got a nice texture. It has a really nice, pleasant, light, it smells like apple cider. And it's not sticking to the drills. I really should have kept my, I don't feel a stringiness to it, and I don't feel a cushiness to it. Sometimes when you press down, you feel like you know you have putty underneath there, and I like that feeling too. I like feeling that my putty is in, my drills are like in a little cloud. I can't believe that I have this much of this canvas done already. I really can't, because for me, you know, you guys know, when I really don't do a kit up and get started right away. And I think it's just because I don't know, I think thanks to Lizette, I think, you know, her letting us all look at our stashes and how we intend to refresh our stash. And plus, I think too, like I said, I think I found the formula. I was saying in the whipping chat, I think I found a formula for myself where I pair a book with this with a canvas. And so I don't know that I'm going to do that all the time. I don't know that I'm going to read a book with every canvas. It would be nice, but I'm reading this It's called gaslight. It's where the term comes from because her husband is gaslighting her. Gaslight, that is where the term comes from. She suspects that her husband is driving her mad, and she doesn't know for sure. And she fights, when you think, is he really doing this? Is he not doing this? Like, this is the man that you love and the man that you marry, but is he really like gaslighting you into making you think that you're insane? Really, he is. We know. I'm not telling you anything. We know as the bystanders watching this play, book, movie, that he is driving her man. Ingrid Bergman is just so stupendous in this. I'm giving you guys good movies to watch. I'm giving you good books like Rebecca was such a good movie with Joan Fontaine. She was just perfect. She was just perfect in that part. I'm trying to really get through the PBS series. I really just can't, because I think that they changed a lot, and I don't like that. I don't like it. It's a classic for a reason. Leave it alone. What are you doing? Why do you have to change things? Oh, God. Well, I think, nobody asked you to think. Just do the movie. Just do the movie. But that's what it is today. Everybody is always trying to put their imprint on things, and let's change it. Let's do, our version of it. It's a classic for a reason. Leave it alone. I don't like when things get changed. It makes me upset. I don't deal well with change. And so John and I went to the supermarket this morning, and he's coming back. He ran out. Where did he go now? We're getting our stuff ready for the charcuterie board, and he didn't like what he saw. And he wants to go over to the 9th Street Market, go over to the cheese shop, which, I don't know what he was thinking anyway. There's nothing like a cheese shop, right? And so this will be done. The picture will be up. You guys will be able to see it. I love the little crystals. I still have 2 more number 1s over here. Straighten my drills because it's driving me mad here and there. And then that's it. And then when John comes back, we're finally going to eat breakfast. I think it's like 11 o'clock right now. We've been on the go since 7 a.m. We didn't eat anything. So we're going to eat, I guess it's brunch. Would it be considered brunch? This painting came out in October of 2024. And I will say, I don't know if Dreamer Designs also tightened their round canvases or just the square. But I will say, when I am putting these last ones in, I hear a crunch. I hear a crunch. Maybe, what do I have left here? Like the A's. So let's do those. Where am I going? I'm waiting for him to come in. I hope you guys enjoy the holiday kit up of this kit, and it was turned into a whipping chat, and then it turned into me putting the first drills down. I was like, wow, this canvas really has it all. Introducing a new novel. This canvas has it all. It's got the, the whipping chat, because I feel like I'm not, it's not that I don't have the time or energy to do a live, but it is that I want to spend the evenings with my husband during the holiday and just relax, watch some movies and bake some cookies and play some Scrabble, do our thing. Oh, I missed those over there. So they're picking up nicely. There's not that you hear the popping. There's not popping. It's a very delicate, I would say a delicate putty, which I have to say from experience, I sometimes shy away from getting putties that are scented because I find that the scents interfere with the texture of the putty. Like if you get anything that has a citrusy smell to it, especially like lemon, I think it's probably the one that intrudes most on the texture, because lemon is a strong scent and it's a citrus scent, and it's used for cleaning because it's powerful, not only its scent, but its cleaning power. And so I can only think that it works against the texture that you're trying to achieve, because it's a boss, you know, it's a boss oil, you know. So to hear like the little crunching in, and I guess that wasn't a good one. Let's try this one, and then I'm going to let you go, because this was only supposed to be like a 15-minute thing, and it's turning into a half an hour, because now I have putty in here in this one. But I really like this placer. I was like, oh, where you been all my life? Do you hear the crunching? Oh, there's really not drills on the other side. So I do think, you hear that? I do think that maybe Dreamer Designs, did they also tighten the round canvases, or just the square? I don't know. Let me know. What I don't know, I know everything, but what I don't know, you know. I know everything. I got that from a movie. What was it? What was it? War of the Worlds. War of the Worlds. And Tom Cruise is telling his daughter, me and my brother know everything. Ask me anything. And when he doesn't know the answer, he goes, that's the one my brother knows. Losing it. Right now, my mind is on the UPS, the Amazon driver. So let me go catch that ray of sunshine before he throws my packages on the step. And I will see you. Who knows when? Oh, John's going to. I was going to say in the next one or tomorrow, but I'm on here twice already today. John's reading the second part of A Christmas Carol, and I'll have that up later too, and you'll get to see the Make Market ornament canvas that I'm doing upstairs in the bedroom in my art room. Bye, guys.